After years of pretending spring launches don't exist, multiple reports now suggest Apple is lining up a crowded March 2026 event focused heavily on budget hardware. Apple-style budget, of course, where affordable still somehow starts at $599. At the front of this parade is the M5 MacBook Air, reportedly landing in early March. Analysts and ad partners claim this follows Apple's usual script. Launch MacBook Pros first, then toss the Air a few months later like leftovers. The design? Identical? Same body, same 13-inch display, same don't fix what isn't broken attitude. But Apple wants applause for the M5 chip inside. Based on performance already seen in the base M5 MacBook Pro, the chip is undeniably faster. The iPad lineup might be where Apple tries something bold or confusing. Code references suggest the 12th generation iPad could skip the A18 entirely and jump straight to the A19 chip. The same one used in the iPhone 17, that would be a first for Apple's budget iPad, instantly making the current A16 model look outdated. Leaks mention big CPU and GPU gains, better gaming, 8 GB of RAM, and possibly Apple's N1 Wi-Fi 7 chip. But there's a catch, because there's always a catch. Some sources say Apple might not launch this iPad at all, conveniently steering buyers toward another iPad announced at the same event. Very subtle, Apple. Then there's what might be Apple's real cash printer. The iPhone 17e leaks, an internal code point to an A19 chip, an upgraded 18-megapixel center stage selfie camera, slimmer bezels, and the long-awaited move from the notch to dynamic island. The display stays at 6.1 inches, but visually, Apple wants this to feel dangerously close to a Pro model without actually being one, and somehow, despite all these upgrades, the rumored price stays at $599. Apple also appears ready to resurrect the long-dead 12-inch MacBook because nostalgia sells. Leaked references mention a new model codenamed J700, running macOS 26.3, powered by the A18 Pro. Performance claims suggest elite single-core speeds and multi-core numbers rivaling older M-series Macs, which raises the obvious question, why do the more expensive Macs exist? Expected specs include 8 GB RAM, optional 16 GB, colorful finishes, absurd battery life, and a price hovering around $599. Yes, a MacBook is cheaper than an iPhone again. Apple marketing is sweating. Rounding out the event are smaller, less dramatic upgrades. An M4 iPad Air with no design changes because why bother? Just a chip bump and maybe Wi-Fi 7 via the N1 chip. The HomePod Mini 2 is said to get the S10 chip for quicker Siri responses, which sounds nice if Siri actually improves this time. Meanwhile, the Apple TV 4K refresh is reportedly pushed to April, supposedly waiting on next-generation Siri and Apple Intelligence features. Words Apple has been stretching lately. If these leaks hold up, Apple's March 2026 event should hit early in the month, with prices starting around $599 for the iPhone 17e and the revived MacBook, and climbing rapidly from there.